Today I wanted to talk about a subject which is very close to my heart. That is the digital addiction. This is something which is actually spoiling our own generations, including adults and the children, of course. And the reason for this are not very far to see. I have seen parents indulging their children with mobile phones, movies, cartoons, songs, dances, and things like that. And the children, even toddlers, infants, they become so used to it कि वो मोबाइल फ़ोन के बगैर रह नहीं सकते. खाना खाते समय उनको कार्टून चाहिए, उनको बातचीत करने के लिए कार्टून कैरेक्टर से इंटरेक्शन चाहिए, उनके माँ बाप बात ही कार्टूनों की तरह ही करते हैं. सो द पॉइंट इज कि अगर हम उनके लिए इतनी अट्रैक्टिव ऑप्शन दे देते हैं, सो मेनी colors, music, movement, dance, attractive sceneries, तो वो उनको देखने में तो उनका दिल लगेगा. And it will be like a drug to the mind. So that pleasure which is going to come from this activity is is not likely to be left willingly, happily. So if you deny this kind of a mental drug to a kid, he will not like it, he will resist it, he will cry, he will sulk, he will find ways and means to do it. I have seen people who lock up their Wi-Fis, who lock up their phones, who make sure that the children do not have access to social media, but somehow the children are able to either sneak into their room, steal their phones, or crack the code of the neighboring house's Wi-Fi signal, or blackmail their grandmother to request for the phone for some time, or even their siblings or their mother, and they are able to get through to get some kind of this mental numbness by watching endless streams of videos or games. So there has to be a way out of this, and that way has to be by the way of control. It has to be by way of check on what is being consumed. It is by laying certain boundaries, like you can say कि भाई खाना खाने के समय कोई फोन नहीं देखेगा, या अभी हम शाम को 2 घंटे हम आपस में फैमिली बैठेगी, बात करेगी, वॉक पे जाएंगे, चेस खेलेंगे, जो भी है, लेकिन हम उस समय फोन का इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे. जब हम एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं तब हम फोन का इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे. बेडरूम में सोते समय बेड के ऊपर में हम फोन नहीं देखेंगे. So this has to be done in a very ingenious method, because आजकल जो लर्निंग है वो भी डिजिटल हो गई है. स्कूल में क्लासेस उस तरह से चलने लग गई हैं, होमवर्क बच्चों को उस तरह से मिलने लग गया है. दे हैव टू रेफर टू सो मेनी थिंग्स, एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट द AI हैज कम. So the AI is making it very easy for the children to prepare any solution, any answer, any submission on demand, and they have forgotten to write. They produce things digitally, Word documents, and do any kind of a research. Even I have seen people doing a little bit minor addition, multiplication using a calculator. I had even adults. I have a fellow in my office. That day we were doing something. I said 568 plus 320 and plus something, and he took out his mobile to use his calculator. The capacity to do mental mathematics has gone. The capacity to think has gone. People have forgotten how to write. People have forgotten how a paper book feels in your hands. The habit of reading is going down. The habit of writing is going down. The habit of mental mathematics is going down. The habit of doing any kind of a research or thinking is going down because AI can give you anything. So what I'm trying to bring out is that AI may give us tools, the digital entertainment may give us a mental drug, but then we will stop being human beings. हम लोग व्हाट्सएप के फैमिली ग्रुप में बड़े आराम से सब बातें कर लेते हैं, लेकिन और उस शहर के सामने से गुजरते हुए भी हम अपने रिश्तेदारों को मिलने नहीं जाते. It is very easy to say hi, hello, good morning, happy new year, happy Vasant Panchami, happy Lodi on WhatsApp groups. But how many of us go and meet and be with the people? Whenever we want to celebrate, we say, okay, let's go and have food outside. Let's go to that restaurant. Let's go to that restaurant. You go to a restaurant, there is so much of bloody noise. You cannot talk. You're only listening to loud music or other people shouting, or you are just looking at the food and thinking what to eat, and you are focusing on your own tongue and enjoyment. This is no family gathering. So let us think about it. I hope people detach themselves from screens and merge themselves with family, friends, social connections. Think about it. It has got a very, very harmful effect in the long term. And if we are not careful with the children, the point is that they may be beyond redemption. और फिर आप लोग हाथ मलते रह जाओगे कि काश हमने कुछ कंट्रोल किया होता. I have seen people of parents of teenagers, 14-year-old boy, 15-year-old girl, they are out of control. They just are interested in playing games or watching reels or making reels or talking about this or gossiping or fashion and makeup and style and PUBG and whatnot. Where have we come to? And where are we going? Think about it. Thank you and Jai Hind.